Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you ready to change that cabin air filter in your Hino? Well, if you are, you're at the right place. Hit that button over to the right, become a subscriber right away. So let's get started. So what we're going to do, we're going to go on the right side of the vehicle and we're going to go through the passenger door. And we're going to look right underneath, midway, and there she is. Wow. Do you think she need to be changed? What I'm going to use is, you can use any kind of tool that actually has some type of hook to it. Go up here, and I'm going to go to the back side of it. Stick my tool on the back side, out, and it just pops right out. Here's your old one. Wow. Well, you can actually clean it, guys and gals. You can actually clean it, but I decided to purchase a new one. And this is the part number 4, and I got it straight from Hino dealership. And it's the price that you can get it for. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the cover. And I just want to point out, we're just gonna slide it right underneath the hooks here. There's hooks that this filter lays on and it rests upon and supported, and we have clips here. And what we're going to do, once we slide it up, we're just going to push up the filter and have the clips to pop in place. Now if your filter is not damaged, and when I say not damaged, the screen is not cracked or broken, all you have to do, if you want to take time and you do not want to spend the money, you can actually just clean it off. After you peel off as much as you can, just take time to actually blow it out. I want to show you both ways. Either way, I'm showing you how to replace it. But this channel is all about saving you money. So if this is a better route for you, that's what this channel is all about. All right, you can reuse your old cabin air filter if you choose not to buy a new one. Let's go slide it back in place. And just push it. Snap it right back in place. That's all you have to do to change your cabin air filter in your Hino. I want to thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.